Hey friends, hopefully you're in a chicken mood because I've got a great recipe for you today. If you want to make a super easy chicken dish for dinner, an easy dinner, follow me through this video. We're going to make honey garlic chicken. And it sounds really kind of spectacular. Actually tastes very good. It is spectacular, but it's super easy to make. Let's get into it. We start the honey garlic chicken recipe by putting some olive oil in a skillet. We're going to then add our chicken to the skillet here. What you want to do in order to get a really nice crispy chicken is when you place your chicken in the skillet, you want to pat it dry with a paper towel, meaning you don't want to put wet chicken in a skillet. This way it's going to come out super, super crispy, and you're going to love me for that little tip later. So I'm going to finish putting my chicken into the skillet. And the other thing about chicken is you aren't going to turn this chicken. You're not going to touch it. You're going to leave it alone and let it cook until it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan anymore. That is when you turn it. Okay, so while the chicken's cooking, I'm going to create some lemon zest. And then I'm going to come back to my chicken here in the skillet, and I'm going to place the lemon zest on top. You can see that there where I've sprinkled it on top. I'm going to add my paprika. I'm going to start seasoning the chicken. Now I haven't touched the chicken. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add some pepper because we're not going to turn this chicken until it no longer sticks to that bottom. So here we go. So I'm going to turn it now because it no longer, see how I'm grabbing it and it's just turning very, very easy? That's when your chicken's ready to be turned. When you turn it too early, it doesn't cook properly. It doesn't crisp up nice. It is one of the secrets in cooking chicken in this recipe and any other time you're going to fry chicken on the stove. Now I'm going to take the skillet. After I've cooked both sides, I'm going to place it in the oven at 375 degrees for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Then while that's cooking, I'm going to take some butter, toss it in a saucepan, and we're going to start prepping our honey garlic sauce. I'm going to add some juice from the lemon. And I am making more of this sauce because I make it up and store it, so I'm using more of the ingredients. I'm going to add some soy sauce here. You're going to follow the instructions on the recipe card. I'm going to add some garlic there, some minced garlic. I'm going to bring this up to a nice high hot boil. And then here comes the honey. We're going to add in the honey now. And like I said, you're going to follow the instructions on the recipe card. I'm making a little bit more because I make this and then store it and use it for other things as well. So I'm going to give it a nice stir here with my whisk. I'm going to make sure that everything and all the ingredients are combined very well. I'm waiting for my heat to come up a little bit. And I do want to simmer this for at least a good, 2 to 3 minutes on a nice high boil like you see right here. So it is boiling pretty well there. And then I'm going to set it aside. Next up, I have the recipe card for you for the honey garlic chicken. So this is a super easy recipe. It sounds kind of fancy, but as you can see, it's pretty easy going here. And if you like cooking with me as much as I love cooking with you, hit that like and subscribe button so that we can see a little bit more of each other. Now we're going to get the chicken out of the oven next and start prepping it with the honey glaze the garlic honey glaze that we just made. So let's get to that right now. All right, hey, the chicken is out of the oven here, and now we are going to put the honey garlic glaze over the top. So let's get the chicken out of our skillet. Beautifully done here. Look at that nice crispy outside of the chicken. And remember, you get your chicken to be that crispy and that seasoned and that delicious by patting it dry with a paper towel before you start cooking it, and leaving it to cook and not touching it in the skillet. You're not going to turn it until it's time to turn, just like I had said in the video. All right, so I'm going to set this down. Let me finagle a couple things here. I'm going to get this out of the way. Oh yeah, look at that. Friends, this looks so delicious, doesn't it? All right. Ooh, it's a little hot still. So we made that beautiful garlic honey sauce. It's starting to thicken up here. Beautiful, beautiful color. And there we go. Look at that. And you're just going to drizzle this right before you serve this chicken. You're just going to kind of drizzle the honey garlic, handmade, homemade sauce that you put on the stove right over top of your chicken. Look at that. Oh yeah, friends, this is going to be delightful. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Now, if you like more sauce, of course, we've made quite a bit here. You can, just kind of add more to it, or if you like lighter sauce, you're going to put less on. So there we go. Look at that. Ooh, yes. Right now, of course, we're going to taste it, right? So we're going to taste it. There we go. Let's take a nice piece here. Push this out. We'll taste this piece. All right, friends, let's take a bite here of this chicken. I could tell you 10 out of 10 with the smell. Very, very nice. Now I use thighs here. I think I said that at the beginning of the video, and that makes a difference too. But you could use chicken breasts, but for some reason, the chicken thighs lately that I've been buying, they just are juicy, nice flavor to the meat. They're still not have the bone in, so there's just some nice flavor there. This is delicious. Absolutely delicious. That sauce is just a very nice light, kind of like a feathering of a sweet and garlic taste as it hits your mouth with the chicken. I mean, it's just a perfect blend. This one is a 10 out of 10. You got to do it. Super easy. All right, thanks for hanging out with me, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.